How to send Amazon gift card to friend. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now once inside the Amazon website, right here, all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the search bar and you want to search for gift card. You can then go ahead and see the options right here. Basically, once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and choose a gift card. In my case, I'll go ahead and choose this one. And basically, once inside, you can then go ahead and choose between the presets that we have. We have the Amazon white logo, black logo, and more. You can just customize this the way you want to. You have your gift card design, you have the standard, animated, or the photo or video. From here, you can then enter the amount, and lastly, you have the delivery option. If you want to go ahead and send this to your friend, you want to mail them, or you want to type the correct address in order for them to receive this personalized gift card. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.